This brand is from American Standard, which is a part of Trane Technologies. The units are assembled in America but are only available from authorized American Standard brand dealers. The brand offers basic builder-grade heat pumps featuring durable scroll compressors, but the warranty is not as good as many of the other brands. Their guarantee does not include full unit replacement in the event of a compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. They use a slotted metal jacket to protect the condenser coil from damage, which is not as good as louvered panel construction. The heat pumps use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32. The units use a demand-based defrost control which saves energy over time-based controls, as a defrost cycle is only initiated when it is really required. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.